Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited to be bringing you this video because many of you have been asking for it. I'm going to show you how to get all skins in Knockout Roblox. You can get every single skin for free using a Knockout Roblox code, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how to go ahead and get it, guys. Before I show you, make sure you do like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am always creating new videos. So guys, there are tons of skins available in Knockout Roblox. Some are super rare and hard to get, guys. I'm going to be showing you how to get each and every skin for free in Knockout Roblox using a code. So let's get into the video. As you can see, you need to use your mobile phone internet browser just to get your code, and then you can go ahead and redeem it in your game. So what you want to do is use your mobile internet, head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. Very important you type it correctly, and it's going to bring you to Cold Coupons, which is basically a coupon code website for games. I've used them previously. I used to be an avid Grow a Garden player. But yeah, I used to use them for this for them. But yeah, what you want to do is use the search bar where it says up the top there where it says search here, and guys, you just want to type in what you're looking for. So Knockout Roblox. As you can see, this is the codes page. Now if you go ahead and scroll, you can see, by the way, these are being really used a lot, really popular methods. So scroll down until you find this code, the all skins code. This is going to get all skins for free in Roblox Knockout. And guys, this entire method takes just a few minutes. So it is by far the fastest method to get free skins, every skin as well. Okay, so yeah, I've already done this part, but basically it says here your code is ready, and you can see these are limited codes, guys. Now what you need to do is unlock your Knockout Roblox code. So click on get full code, and you just need to follow the instructions on this page. Like I said, I've already done this, so I can't do it again, but it only takes about 5 minutes. So you need to complete 2 of the tasks below to unlock your Knockout code from Cold Coupons. And then it's very important you do follow the unlock instructions. So what it means by that is this text below each one tells you how to complete that task. So that's like the instructions. As an example, this one here is an application, mobile app, Opera GX, I believe it's like a web browser. It says download, install the app and run it for 30 seconds. Now these are all completely free. As you can see, they literally take just a few minutes to complete. Like that one takes 30 seconds. You basically download the app and then open it up for 30 seconds. So just fully complete any 2 tasks on this code unlocker. And once you've done that, it will then redirect you back and your code will be revealed. So your Knockout Roblox code will be shown here, and you just redeem it in game in the field and the redeem code section, and this is going to unlock all skins. So guys, that is the fastest and easiest method to get all skins for free in Knockout Roblox. Go to Cold Coupons. If you need any help or have any questions, let me know, guys. Leave a comment below. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.